Jam One Media TV, the Leader TV. News reporter that dancehall artist Ragging King has been shot. Yeah, shoot the artist, but today the artist has returned from a funeral in Westmoreland, and them say a lone gunman pull up on him car and shoot him. Yeah, the incident happened in Stewie, Westmoreland. Police Corporate Communication Unit said the incident had happened about 3:15 p.m. A woman in his company was shot, and it was fatal. And a third person was also in the car. Yeah, boy, this is a sad event, I'm not lie. Ragging King is a good youth, you know what I mean? Good artist, you see me? Be a positive content in our music and thing, you know what I mean? And if you see the man them pull up on the man like this and shoot him in a broad daylight, man, yo, that thing is sad, you see me? And I want the youth them, man, to kind of cool off of the badness, because right now the badness thing not work. And it's like, none of you them not realize that. Every man grew up fascinated with this badness and want to grow up and turn bad man and kill people and all of that, and no know say yo them things are destruction, brother. You know what I mean? Big up to the Roseites, man, them, you know? And go on hold firm and strong. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell for new videos. Who are the one, the rough star, Jano. Because yo, the artist, good artist, you see me, I say, good content in our music, young artists, I try, you see me, I say, see a young artist, yeah, them man, yeah, them breadwinner for them family, you know what I mean, the man tell us, say, yo, grew up out a mother and thing, and father raised him and thing, and, you know what I mean, but John must die, yo, that badness thing, and that, it take a whole heap of good your life, you see me, John, I love of you, I love all the badness dog, because you are no man now winning at this dog, whether the victim or the perpetrator dog, you see me? You know what I mean? Whether you get shot or you have shot somebody which nobody knows, nobody knows, you see me? Because at the end of the day, my lord, no man never live to see one bad man retire. You understand? And get pension. You see me? Tell me a bad man is retire and get pension. Tell me a bad man there, the Prime Minister call up a Jamaica house and honor him with an order of merit. You see me I say? Or an order of distinction. You see me I say? No bad man, Bridget. If a bad man them know, at some point they will get that shit. So man bad in a run place, Bridget, and that's all the juvenile come dash with them. Even when the juvenile them get dash back, they still they didn't better. You know what I mean? I beg you them flow out that thing the bitch. God, the badness thing that destroy the country. You see me I say? Big man, bro. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe.